So today we're going to be taking a wee look at the EZDIY-FAB or EZDIY-FAB sleeved extension cable kit. Right, no messing about, we'll go straight into the unboxing. Up here we see the logo from EZDIY-FAB, the sleeved extension cable kit. On the back we've got some details here saying it's allowed high current, which is I believe is 600 watts. We've got 16 AWG copper wire, and then we've got PET mesh sleeves. Here we've got all the different variations, but mine's is a 24-pin ATX, 12-volt high-power male to female, and then two 4x4 pin EPS connectors. And then down here we've got a couple of QR codes for getting onto their website and so on to see the rest of the products these guys sell. On the side here we've got a little motto, let's build it. And in the box, I'm not expecting to be much in here, but I thought I would share it with you anyway. So right away we've got a bag full of combs, plenty of combs in there. We get ones that are 3 and 4, which is nice in case you need to just have 6-pin cables connected up rather than the 4. Right away here we can see the 24-pin motherboard power supply with the white connectors at the end. All these nice white braided cables which are lovely. Plenty of flexibility as well, which I really like. It's good to see that. Some of the other ones can be a bit stiff. Tons of flexibility in this. Then here we've got one of the 4x4 EPS power cables. One end being male and end being female. And again we've got another one, the exact same, with these lovely white connectors on the end. And probably the most important one now of them all here is the 12-volt high power connector for your graphics card. Again, beautiful white connectors at the end. You can see the sense cables on this male end here. And then the female end as well, again with those sense pins. And this one actually comes pre-installed with cable combs. And these ones can't be removed, but it's good to have these already added. Just slide those into position to make your cables look neat and tidy in your PC. But so far so good. They feel nice quality, they look superb. Looking forward to have these in the case. Measurement wise, they're measured at 30 centimeters, but that is the cable length. From end to end on the connectors, it's about 340 millimeters. And that should be the same across all the cables. And indeed it is 340, 345 roughly. Thought I'd just share that with you as well. All done. So that was the contents of the box. Now I've actually used products from this company before. I bought a set of fans and installed them into my son's PC, and I'll actually leave a link up in one of the corners for a little review I've done on them. More kind of budget friendly fans, but they've got various different types of fans which are available on the Amazon website. So it's worthwhile going over and have a look. You might see something that you fancy. So because I've used them before and I was quite happy with the product, I thought I would give these cables a go as well, seeing as they seem to be good quality. And if you're interested in purchasing these cables from the Amazon website, you can see here on the screen they're selling for £34.99 at the moment, and there's different colours. We've got black and grey, black and white with black connectors, and a grey with black connectors as well for various prices. But for the all white ones, £34.99. And yeah, as I say, if you're interested, I'll leave a link below which will be an affiliate link which helps the channel. So yeah, my plans for them, I'm currently in the middle of swapping out my motherboard, my processor, memory and so on. I'm jumping onto the M5 bandwagon. So in my PC at the moment, I've got a kind of nearly all white build, but my motherboard's still black, and I've still got some black sleeve cables in there as well. So new motherboard's going to be white, RAM's going to be white. So just to finish everything off, I wanted to get some white cable extensions. And what I really liked about these particular cable extensions is the fact that the actual connectors on them are white as well. There's lots of other ones available again on Amazon where the connectors at the end are black, and I just wanted that all white look, and these caught my eye, so I thought I might as well give them a go. So that's another quick video over. Let me know your thoughts down below, what you think of these cables. I suppose it's hard to tell unless you actually buy them, but so far I think they look absolutely fantastic in this case. Just finishes everything off because it gives it that all white finish, which what I was looking for. So I'm really happy with them. They feel good quality. I quite like the flexibility in them. Other cables I've had in the past are a little bit more rigid, a little bit kind of harder to bend the cables round in through the openings in the case to the back of the case and stuff. So I quite liked these were a little bit more flexible. But yeah, so far so good. They look fantastic. Time will tell if they last the distance. But yeah, that's that over. Hopefully you liked this one, guys. Please, if you can, leave a like and subscribe, and I'll be back with you sometime soon. See you later.